Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant black screen on launch in Windows 11. First, try a quick graphics reset. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B at the same time. Your screen may flicker for a second. This resets your graphics driver and can fix the black screen instantly. If the issue is still there, the next step is to make sure Vanguard is running. Click on the Windows search bar and type Services, then open it. In the list, find a service called VGC. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Then click Start if the service is not running. Press Apply and OK. Then close the window. Now, reset Valorant's local settings. Open the Windows search again and type %localappdata%, then press Enter. This will open a folder. Find the Valorant folder and open it. Go into the saved folder. Inside, find the config folder and delete it. This will reset your graphics and configuration settings. After that, restart your computer and launch Valorant again. The black screen issue should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.